Understand metric units of capacity. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at examples 8, 9 and 10. The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. This can also be called capacity, and we use the word capacity more often when referring to liquids. The most common unit of capacity is the litre L. Quite often this is written in italic. So that can be confusing with a 1, so quite often like this, or maybe even like that. So conversions that you should know. 1,000 mils makes up a litre, so that's just keeping it in capacity. 1,000 mils make a litre, you should probably know that from a bottle of Coke or something like that. And 10 mils make up a centilitre. Again, probably should know that from, you get 33 centilitre cans, but you'll know that as 330 mils. You times centilitres by 10 to get how many millilitres it will be. But what about changing from volume to capacity? So to convert volumes to capacity, we consider this here cube that is 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. That's the definition of 1 centimetre cubed, that's what it is. And if you were to fill up that 1 centimetre cubed with a liquid, you would have 1 mil of that liquid. So 1 centimetre cubed equals 1 mil. And to do this topic, really, you have to memorize that. That's crucial. That's how to change from volume to capacity. Now, I'd assume you already know these here, but if you don't, you'll have to highlight and memorize those before going any further. Now, as a consequence, if you think that 1 milliliter, there's 1,000 mils in a litre. That means if you had 1 litre, that's the same as 1,000 centimetres cubed. Okay, that's because 1,000 centimetres cubed is 1,000 mils, but 1,000 mils is 1 litre. So if you imagine a cube that's 10 by 10 by 10, that would make up 1,000 centimetres cubed. If you fill that, that's how big a litre is, the amount of fluid that fills up a cube 10 by 10 by 10. Okay, I'm going to move away from this part of the page, and I suppose this is the only thing you need to memorise really. Hopefully you already know those two, and we can use that conversion in all these questions. So example 8 is to express 24 litres into centimetres cubed. The conversion that we know for, well, hopefully you will know or memorise, from capacity to volume is that 1 mil is 1 centimetre cubed. So I'd first of all like to change 24 litres into mils. To do that, you times by 1,000, and hopefully you're happy enough just by writing down 24,000 mils. And that would then be 24,000 centimetres cubed. Okay? If you weren't sure where that came from, that was 24 litres multiplied by 1,000. I probably should put that first. Example 9. Express 860 centimetres cubed in litres. Well, every centimetre cubed is equivalent to 1 mil. So 860 centimetres cubed is 860 mils. And we know that 1,000 mils make up a litre, so that would be 0.86 litres. How did I do that? I got the number of mils and I divided it by 1,000, because 1,000 mils make a litre. Example 10. The capacity of a cube of length, find the capacity of a cube of length 0.5 meters. I first of all want to know its volume. So if you imagine a cube, instead of putting its dimensions in meters, I'm going to choose centimeters because the conversion that we know involves centimeters cubed, so I want to work with centimeters initially. So 0.5 meters, it would be 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. So the volume of that will be 50 by 50 by 50. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, and then add on your zeros. And that means the volume of the cube is 125,000 centimeters cubed. If we put that into mils, that's the same as 125,000 mils, which is what the question's asked you to do. Find the capacity. But it's a rather a large amount of mils, and you wouldn't often say, if you had that many mils, you would talk about how many litres you have, because the number's too big to describe with mils. You'd use mils for a smaller measurement. So to go from millilitres to mils, you're dividing by 1,000, and that ends up that you've got 125. 125,000 mils is 125 litres. A lot of lines are working out for that one there. You don't maybe need as many as that, but hopefully that explains it well enough for you.